Good afternoon. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Today I have started receiving some of my packages, some that I've ordered from other places, and some that some wonderful crafty friends have sent to me as well. Once again, I've only received two. No mail, but two packages, and I'm elated about that. I'm taking a moment to film this particular unboxing that my wonderful friend Virginia Martin, author, sent to me. I asked a while back for one of the pink Heidi Swap journal books, and she was, as always, more than just kind and generous to send me one. Here's the thing with this box and the size of the box, I have a feeling that more is in here. So I figured, you know what, let me go ahead and have a little fun and film this as I unbox it. And let's just see. Because I can tell it's not just, it's not just the notebook. And I'm grateful. And I want to see what I'm talking about. See what I'm talking about? I asked her for a notebook. Notebook. One notebook. See what I'm talking about? See what I'm talking about? This is exactly why I stopped and started filming. Oh my goodness, wait a minute. Oh my word. Oh my word. So, yes, love this. Quick flip through, love this. Who doesn't love a paper pad? Let's be candid. That's why we're all around the Ollie's and American Crafts, authorspeaker.com. We're going everywhere trying to get paper pads. And it's the thrill of the chase, but at the same time, it's wonderful when we find it. Now, I have this note. I need to take a moment and read it really quick. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. This is so pretty. Oh, oh. She is one of the sweetest people. And so, if you ever send me some sort of mail, please know I keep these. I have a particular storage area that I keep all of my notes from all of my crafty friends, okay? As we dive down into this box, look at this pretty paper. This is gorgeous. Let me get my glasses, y'all. I started opening this up without my glasses. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous. Let me tell you something else too. I love when we do exchanges from across the country because, as we all know, this came from Dollar Tree. I picked up one of these, and yes, I needed another one for a journal that I'm working on. I love this. I just love this. Here's the thing too. If you ever come across these, you can always use these for like ephemera. I love this. What I was saying is I love the fact that we as crafters do these exchanges and happy meals, especially from the things we pick up from across the country, because it gives each one of us an opportunity to get something different and new than what's in our area. Love these. Love these. Love these. Love these. These are vinyl too. Love these. Love these. Love these. Wow, love these. These are nice. These are very, very nice. I'm very, very appreciative. I don't know which way to go. Let's go in here. I love this bag. I will be repurposing this bag. I will be repurposing this bag. Oh, y'all look. This is so sweet. Wow. This is so nice. I don't know if you made this, Virginia. This is adorable. This is really adorable. I love the charm bracelet. Well, I can call it a dangle or a bracelet or a charm. I love the bag. And I'm in love with this washi tape. Love with all of it. I'm just, oh wow. Ribbon, yes. Oh look. So nice. Wow. There are 4 yards on each one of these spools. It's so nice. Now this is, okay. You all, I don't even talk about it, but I'm gonna tell you something. I got a spool of this type of, it's not thread, I don't even know what you call it, but I got a spool of some of this from, I think it was Michael's, and it's brown. And I pulled it out the other day, and I was looking online for some more of this type of, really this type of I don't want to call it fabric, but like fabric thread, because you can use it for backing is another thing. I love this. Thank you, Virginia. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. This is very thoughtful. Once again, y'all, I only asked for one thing. I can't even get it back in here. Because kindness is overwhelming, I'm telling you. Sometimes people tend to forget. You know, when we do these Happy Meals, I can't even get it back in here. When we do these Happy Meals, they've gone to the store, they purchase all these things, and they really are, you know, they are depleting some of their own stock to do for us. And I just think that is so adorable and appreciative. Oh, yes. I love this. Oh, wow. I like this a lot. What are these? Wow. I like these. Well, they're mine, so I'll go ahead and open this up. Wow. Oh, wow. You know what? She sent these to me, but she sent me the card. The Marietta? I can't think of her name right now. But when she sent me the cards, she wrote me a note using this paper. So I'm going to tell you right now, Virginia, thank you very much, because I really, really love it. I really love it a lot. Thank you so much. Wow. So what I happen to do sometimes, I keep a lot of Ziploc bags. Whenever I have things like this, where I've just ripped it open, because I was anxious to get to it, I will take and place it back in the bag so I can keep everything together in case I decide I want to look for these one day. I like this. Y'all don't have to forgive me. You know, over the holidays, when I was cooking, oh, this is neat. I like these. Over the holidays when I was cooking, I did a lot of damage to myself. Burnt my arm here, cut myself here with, believe it or not, my scissors. Oh, I like these. These are nice. Wow, these are so nice. Thank you, Virginia. These are so nice. And so I've been kind of recovering a little bit. Oh, Virginia. These are so nice. Wow. I really do love like steampunk theme. And here is the book I asked for. But like I was saying, I have really, I'm on the mend, you know. I'm really on the mend a little bit. Now, wait a minute. I only asked for a book. Oh, wow. Wait a minute. I know this camera's probably, oh yeah, this is what I originally asked for. And I'm going to cover it back up till I get ready to use it. This is what I originally asked for. I don't know if you can see it well, but this is what I originally asked for. And I got all these other things from her. In my area, I'm able to find, you know, I have been able to find some other things, but we can't find these. And I got some blue ones from Rhonda A1, Ronchica. And I got these pink ones from Virginia, but we can't, they're not carrying these at all. So until I get ready to use this, I'm going to very kindly wrap it back up because it's cloth. I don't want anything to get on it. I don't want it to become stained in any type of way whatsoever. And I am very appreciative. Let me sit this one to the side. What is this? Is this another one? What is this? Oh, wow. Did you send me 2 of these, Virginia? Oh, wow, you did. You did. You sent me 2. Wow. It's just kind and generous of you to do. So I have 2 that I can use. And I shall. And I shall. Everyone, this concludes what I'm going to consider as my Happy Mail for Virginia Martin, author. I am going to link her channel in the description. I can't put the stuff back up fast enough the right way. But I am going to say thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peace. And to my dear friend, Virginia, I just adore you. I appreciate you so very much. I hope everybody is being safe right now. Let me just stop all that rattling with the paper. I hope everyone has been safe throughout the past few weeks. I know that it's been a lot of ice precipitation. I just hope you're all safe. As always, I really do hope that you all decide to come back and see me at some point in time. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much. Take care.